Let's take a look at the top headlines first. Human chain torch rally staged last night widely in valley areas. Mass combing operation begins at hill and valley areas. Last date for submission of online application form for 11 lateral entry selection test 2023 for JNV extended for Manipur. And curfew relaxed for Imphal East, West and Bishnupur till 5 p.m. today. Hello and good evening. Welcome to ELITETV Primetime English News at 6. I'm Utpala. Before giving you the news, we request you to follow the SOP given by the government. Wear face masks when out in public, wash hands regularly and maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet between one person and another. ELITETV also requests you to get vaccinated in time to protect ourselves from this virus and play your part in the fight against COVID-19. Now the news in detail. Tens of thousands of people, mostly women folk, took out torch rallies and formed human chains at different locations in the valley areas in Manipur against the aggression by illegal immigrants from Myanmar and Kuki militants. As the night sky was lit with torches, many slogans of condemnation reverberated throughout the valley. The torch rallies were taken out in response to a call made by Kokomi. Slogans like integrity of Manipur is non-negotiable, we condemn Kuki militants' offensive against Meiteis, abrogate Sioux, withdraw Assam rifles from Manipur, update NRC and long live Manipur reverberated in all directions. In Imphal West, women folk of Uripok areas took out torch rally and made human chain. They shouted withdrawal of Assam rifles and abrogation of suspension of operation. In Imphal East, women folk of Tinsid Road took out torch rally and made human chain too. Protesters at the rally spoke about the partiality of India government in the present situation of Manipur.
Hojik ina laijari bam phamasi Tinsit Road ki Kongpal thongdudani ngasi numit asida Manipur gi hajik thokliba irang asi labdamasi gi hojik thokliba irang asi gi matangda hongnaruba leitana imai bel singna thoklaptuna magi maphamda tholaktuna human chain semduna makhuta maira paiduna hajik Manipur gi santi purakna ba khongjang changsili hiramasi gi matangda imai bel singdagi hajik thokliba irang asi gi matangda kari kari mot lai habagi matangda amutang taminasi
achuk pikpa kuki pro amagi Lan Machida Karigama State Government Manipur Ani Maxina Tamanaga Ting Beya Pati Managa Ting that is a Karigino Haba. I do not attack Pati Basakana Lala Hombani Moina Tajalakba amazing zoo Moina cookie Michanchanga Sinaraga Tarpani Aduga Akway Manipur Gomengi Kanguzi Zoo India Gomengi Makokumbali that gave the Mohuji, Wangande, Cookie, de Tolotana, Pantadokra, Emeleta, Tadokra, Aquagile, wedding the Lan Massage walking Bangam the Bonina, Atoba, Tetagi, Erpayana bomb to Yanga, Landar, Patakadi, Moy, lay back Kotoga, Lenung, the Lot and the Labor Tabra. I don't Manipur, the Ulwana Lona to Manga happening. I don't know, a kind of the Takuta. India ada peluang kuaje, pun naba naba tapani.
Ima ipuna ngakpiramba maitegi ngamke ekoi kahen bearoi ikheng na tarabos ekoi kide matam puna mongta hallaman ta paiduna thang paiduna ngamba Manipur ngamkai je ekoi ngasibo kahen dana bo khona jani ekoi na hygienic mudi huji laibiri ba Manipur sarkar gi Minister MLA mayam se kari tawbiribana hojik pawada nungtigi micham mayam serog da thoiba sugunu da thoiba sengmai da thoiba phayeng da thoiba nongmani ni kangdra mi haliba mi halama tungnamu thangna thintalama mangsam lenthalama mayam che koi yengba ngamdre honorable minister laibiriba ministry mayamna Amit Shah na hariba commitment su sune indre kari tawgodabano koi khangdre Amit Shah gi hairamba request su Suna mawa lobidre nungtigi nungmai kaptuna leire akoina yengma matamda adugi mati uji kiba phim dala e maramaduna minister mayamda phamgi khanbiranu noigi tungda koi chauna lepaga leijari yamna tawbiningba tawgadama mayamdo amuktang tawbiu action lokat piu praja mayamgi khalliba wakalon mokoi da chingna duna leiriba singse amuktang chingnan binu
sahi lisengani gi puarina mangjang tharga lakiba chamakiba adumba jati ache ngachi manganabo honari base aikoi mayam sangra aikoi kanba mathau tai masigi damakta lairiba manpod laiba tongamna phurup singna isa gi phurup ki oiba bakhalon do thadok piu loinana manipur gi apunba integrity da thajaba thambiraga aikoi punna himinasi aikoi machen hanaraga masida tongjabase karino masida aikoi machen hanaraba injali bise kanano haibase aikoi punna khangmina basange Maramachina, Manipur Iba Purk Kudimangna, Purk Minga, Ranzi Tauriba, Ranzi Walasina, Purki Minga, Ranzi Tovigano, upon Manpurgi, Sakapa Manpurama, modern society of Manpura, Porno, Matanda, Adumba, Apaba, Sakapa, Manjintaba, society Ama, Manpurama, or no Matanda, Adumba Ranzi, the Tobio, a pick Wakalon, the Ranzi, Tovigano Hibese, Tabjani.
Manipur is like Shanti Hanzaba Pami, cookies in the Tauribra. Adagi Assam Pulna Tauriba, Mute Mini Amstagi, a quite lapna labor palmy, a quite Santi Yam Palmy, in Manipur, the Saiba Macy, Aquina Yamnikai Kumnazariba, Honorable Prime Minister of India, Gahan train accident Hokumatamda, Yam Atu Matamda, second Mangaki Manung, the condolence be a quickie, Manipur, the Hozic Tama Hena, May Saxala, Equi Hosipoda, Prime Minister of India, Honorable Sina, Hosipoda, Karigumba, Amavo Haiden Labor. Aduga aikoi masilji hatungna ro haibagi mongda aikoi home minister la amagasu aikoi sida numit tarani tramangani tharamakanda hojiksi lekai khudingda misi mina thokta jaga amta leramro sigi mayam sing asi aikoi loisanba pami aikoi we want peace aikoi peace pami tasengna peace pami that tree gi thokdoksi kamaina hokdorakhibano rally ma chappada nongmai mayam purga sali masigi mayam sing sida aikoi loin khangaba ngaktani social media singda uraba ngaktani adu kaisu haining de aikoina aikoi we want peace we want peace long live Manipur long live Manipur Manipur ki ngomkai Manipur ki ngomkai Assam reporting Manipur ki Manipur ki Assam report Manipur ki so
Ima ibel sing na tholak Manipur gi saktam kai biaroi amadi maphampham kaya da macha masu sing lekhidaba kaya ma yarak pasigi matang da ima ibel sing na maira paiduna Penda wafam kaya fongdoraki hiramasi gi matang da pali balenga asina athuba matamda irang asi loisina na basin biu haina kholaw kaya sulauraki video journalist hentoi bagalone na paudam jeri besana hai mam elite news
At Mayalambig in Imphal West, many women folk also took out torch rally and made human chain. They also shouted different slogans like removal of Assam rifles and withdrawal of suspension of operation. Protesters in the rally expressed their condemnation over both state and central government.
Atama Santina, Iramlenda, Santi Lena, Lena Bogidamaka Satava Marani, Iroi Lunana, Awaki, Nasi Cookie, Miltian Singzina, Mankai Latana, Kakpa Latana, Mihami Pumsutoli Base, Atomatamda, Cookie Militancing, Tatok Pico, Aduga, Mani Su Haiba India, Romana Tamiba, Exe, Massimas Automatama Lofok Biu, and Arsis and Ambiu. Hai ba thabak singji akoina pen da bakha laijai sarkani tawbirak tagadi hena makhata ba akan ba khongjang jangsan lagani na mayamna lemna khrabani hoji hojibak chathari be irang ase athuba matamda sarkarna control tawbiyu tawsu tawri asigi matakta su hena awaba taba henjalaktinga imarak sida ajuki matik akhoi mayam ji ware waba haibabu saba tumba khangdre akhoi lamida sorok te le ada sigya da satna khoina leiruba ngamdra basu isa sing aduna honari ba awaba mayam adu akhoi da makhoi gi da makta khoi leidi haina I mase isa ni khanna akhoi nga I selling asi bongda adu sarkar gi maikai te gi ding asi phawgo da su kana na su akhoi bo kari no haibadu khangbi da kari gi da makta haurai be ihau no haibase khangbi da leisan ꯇꯦꯟꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯁꯨ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯥꯝ ꯔꯥꯏꯐꯜ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯋꯥꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟ ꯄꯨꯁꯤꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯗ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯣꯡꯒꯣꯏ प्रजाꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏ ꯃꯉꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯩꯔꯥ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯤ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯀꯣꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯃꯦꯟꯆꯤꯟ ꯁꯦꯝꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯕꯅꯤ.
At Ishok in Bishnupur district, many women folk also took out torch rally and made human chain. They also shouted various slogans. At Kangabog in Thobal district, women folk took out mass torch rally and made human chain. Many placards with various slogans were displayed by the protesters. They also shouted different slogans.
Center ki government na athuba matamda hana ki punchida tangdu laitana lainana bai tamakta hanjilakna na bai tamakta haijari asam raifan lauthok piu haina aikoi imai bel mayam sigi bahut chinjaraga samjaraba praja amoina khanganjari hauji government na hauji tangdu laitadana hingliba punchi ase hana ki punchida hanjilakna naraba haijari nolukjari aduga akoi ki laikhidraba lan phamsida thawai thagraba athauba singi mafamdasu
At Langdam in Imphal East, many women folk took out mass torch rally and made human chain too. They also shouted different slogans in the rally. And at Haurang in Imphal West, many women folk took out torch rally and made human chain. The women folk shouted different slogans. The Kwarmban Kaithel will resume normal activities from today, June 7th. This was stated by Vice President of Mari Suba Kwarmban Ima Kaithel Wahingbam Luang Lema at a press meet held at Manipur Press Club yesterday. She further said there were arguments among the vendors over the decision of taking to suspend business at Kwarmban Kaithel for 3 days. She also said some of the vendors took the decision to close Kwarmban Kaithel owing to the attack on Meitei villagers by Kuki militants. However, there was a miscommunication among the vendors while taking the decision, she added.
Numit humni kudingi pochi yolaga numit humni suba numisida ima singsidagi magi pot yon badudagi sendong dudagi angamba contribution poraga sendong duna ekhoi leiriba kwaidagi awaba lepak awana taraba lekai punamak kun punamak tamai thadok pihraba yum kuding thadok be mayam dugi mateng pangnana bagi damakta ekhoi miyamda ekhoi dukan thingjalaga leibasina ekhoi maramda pangbagi khudong chabdu dukan thingjale kaithen thingagadi ekhoi gi chai sing nu narom domni noi thopa chagera hingera tawjaro haidana thadok khibagi adugumba kano amada leikhre aduna ekhoi na khanjai jinga simak hauji mak phayeng da sibadugi pot chai leiba ekhoi gi duk tha dagi de kirki aduga loina na khoi gi kambi leiba laiba dagi moi myam na thingyen gramni flex namna budu namham leita dana khoi na chalakanda mo haudoga hangtola kanda flex tu pura kanda lauraga chatki ado ekhoi na mayam sida piru na ba mi mana chu itauna chu oibe amana chu ani oibe ya maduna pot si leige haidana lakpa matam da kaithen ji thingaga di chengpa makta tawra su hawai makta oira su cheng maru mo oira ga chu hinjang ama hawai kana to mayam che khoi na leina na ba leitraga di ekhoi khuntak lan si basida mayam na khando je moi kundak lan sire adu itadi PR la ani haiba wakhalon si PR thamgadamani haiba wakhalon da tobiba mayam ama su lei madu loin tokthoga haujikti ekhoi ingna chingna ekhoi gi lamdam sigi chai chu chingji kanna gi namta ekhoi na loba yaba thogdang si karino na ekhoi na thibida kaithen phambi ekhoi na thijabada ekhoi kaithel leptana phamaga makhoida ekhoi da contribution khara khoina angamba thogdang yaba haiba che madu gi da makta ne aduna mayam na wakhan tanada ba singju tokpiraga ngasi dagi di kanagumba awana taba singna lekai du da lerga su pau haibiro ekhoi kaithen gi mayamna ima singna chalaga madu da mateng pangba ngamjaba kai pangjage adudagi karigumba kano tawdragadi kaithen phambi singna kadbiraga dukan singna hangbiraga kunai chigi awana mayam ji da mateng pangbada saruk yabadu ekhoi busung amanbiu ekhoi punna yamina si haibadu da hayengdagi mayam punamak kaithen karga dukan thingbagi wakhalon kaithen thingbagi wakhalon je thadok minarasi
hojik so koi si kaithen si thingjalaga leiba taragadi moida koina mateng pangni hairaga so ai kadai dagi lorga pangdo no aduna marumor kanda kaithen je hangdokpa haibadu gi wakhalda koi ji tawjabani hojik asu yamna luraba tanjasda ekhoi jati masen ekhoi makta da onjalaga khana to si kari marung no basine en hangningi sina kari marung ekhoi khana to no अतोप जाति अखोई खनरे हौजिक फरेब इमाई बेन मैम जिंग हौजिक लान याम पामे अदगी अखोई से हौजिक कथोप पामे हादि चंगसेब अखोई कैथेन द बन तोक सरपुदी मफम द अखोई चाक थोंब यावसेब थिंगत सेब मैम द
Office of the Deputy Commissioner, Imphal West District Government of Manipur has issued a press release that the last date of submission of online application form for admission to Class 11 in Jawaharlal Navodaya Vidyalaya JNV for the current academic session 2023-24 was 31st May 2023. However, considering the prevailing situation in Manipur and because of the lack of internet facility in the state, Office of the Deputy Commissioner, Imphal West is hereby informed to all concerned that the last date of submission of online application form for Class 11 Lateral Entry Selection Test 2023 only for the state of Manipur has been extended up to 20th June 2023, which can be done through Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti NVS website www.navodaya.gov.in, and all interested persons including students and parents may contact this office situated at Porampad, Imphal East from 9:30 AM to 5 PM every day for availing internet facility for the said purpose. Curfew has been relaxed from 5 AM to 5 PM in Imphal East, West and Bishnupur districts today after separate orders of district magistrates. Markets and shops were closed in Imphal East and West as the decision taken by Cornwall Kaithel women vendors. However, people were seen rushing to markets and shops to buy essential items. Normal traffic was observed on the roads. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.
Babina Diagnostics Manipurda ihan hanba oina ingsok lising amaga chamapal marifuhumdoida linkhatki. Masina awang nungpok Bharata yamna pak chawna miyoy bagi ana layeng da darkar lakpa makhal kayagi changyeng sing pangthoi. Mayamdugi marakta amatang palabada radiological investigation su mai pak na pangthokli. Wana hona jaba miyoy bagi sebani khana angam bathak ta laibak thiraba ana ayek nanglaba kayagi mating pangjaba si sakhang biduna awang nongpokta ihan hanba oina NABL gi accreditation pibirakhi. Miyam gi pothafam ngainafam testofam report lawfam gi awaba du kokhanduna changfam hangfam pothafam gari parking cafeteria yauna marang kaina leizaraba unit ama oina miyam gi seba tawjari. Unit asida thamjariba matamgi darkar oirakpa equipment singdi 1.5 Tesla MRI, 128 slice CT scanner, mammography, DEXA scanner, digital X-ray, loinana hematology, clinical chemistry, amadi clinical pathology, immunology, microbiology, molecular biology, amasung immunohistochemistry studies ki masing yamlaba automated analyzers.
Welcome you all to UNACO College, Kongman, Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational college offering both BA and BAc courses. UNACO College will be affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipur. First academic session will begin in July 2023. Hurry up! Registrations and admissions open for 2023-24 academic session.
SS Career Solution na chahi tara hena khunai sida leiriba naharol singbu achumba sinfam ama khangjana bagi khudom chaba du mapung fana pina bagi damak specialized oiraba team kaya semdona angang singbu nauringai dagi khoiga chana ba sinfam gi maramda singna mari makhong taktuna afaba khunai ama oirakna ba hona duna ngasi fawbala Career Solution amagi chap chana guidance thi ba haibasi arriva dinate adubu iburgedi thoina nungsa thiningai oitre SS Career Solution na akaknaba plan amadi expertise singa putsinduna satra khagnatana community level dagi hauraga adom gi paidagi chanaba sinfam adu mai pakna chatnanaba same sagani aikhuigi mamal yamlaba naha singbu tungge chu walambela mada lamjing haurasi SS Career Solution na piriba khudong chaba singasi khopna khanta haurasi
Welcome back. You're watching ELITETV English News. The plight of the people of Manipur after more than 1 month of violence and the apathy of the government has resulted in the people living in the interiors of Manipur to fight for survival with no food and water and forced to guard their own homes and villages. The statement was made by Youth Amateur Welfare Association President Lishangthe Mumbi. He appealed to the government to act and bring back normalcy and peace in the state. He also condemned the inaction by leaders who have been witnessing the act of violence, killing and arson on civilians and their homes by Kuki militants. He urged the government to take action to bring back peace and normalcy so that people of the state can live in harmony once again. In connection to the violent ethnic clashes between two communities of Manipur, Apunba Maira Paibi Apunba Lup Naurimthong staged a sit-in protest at the community hall at Naurimthong. Different slogans were displayed on placards. One of the protesters, Thangsabam Latasana, stated that they will not allow Manipur's integrity to break and they are willing to sacrifice their lives to keep the integrity of the land intact. She further said that in order to bring peace and normalcy back, Kuki militants in Sioux must be removed at the earliest.
Mama we be sing na han ba makta da khoina thamjaning badi kari gomba hiram mama tada Manipur gi machet amalam kai ba sungya yaro he base mama we be khoina naim thong da leiba Manipur da leiba mama we be khoina han makta thamjage aduduga akhoi gi lansi loisan gi harabadi su si khudakta lokthau khudakta abi khudakta lokthau aduduna akhoi hujik pami base su je lokthau badi lan loire aduna makhata na sum lanji tawgi ge hai targadi akhoi mama we be khoina
In the clash that erupted on May 3rd, Kuki militants burned the homes of thousands of people living in the valley who are now taking shelter in relief camps. Thobal, Sabaltongba, Apunba Maira Paibi and club organization has provided relief materials to several relief camps. 70 bags of rice, 15 bags of potatoes and 15 bags of onions, as well as other essential items were donated to relief camps. 8 relief camps in Thobal, 6 relief camps in Imphal East, 5 relief camps in Imphal West and 30 homes in Thobal, Sabaltong housing displaced people were provided with relief materials. Maira Paibi Club organization has pledged to continue providing relief and essential items and has urged the government to bring back peace and harmony among the people. The Commissioner of Home, Government of Manipur, has ordered to carry out combing operation at different places of hill and valley areas yesterday. The order issued yesterday has mentioned to nominate 19 executive magistrates to carry out the combing operation. For Kangpokpi, 4 executive magistrates have been nominated, 10 executive magistrates for both Imphal East and West, and 1 for Kakching, 3 for Bishnupur, and 1 for Jiribam. Meanwhile, as instructed by the Commissioner, home combing operation was conducted at Sangaithel in Imphal West District and Koken Village in Kangpokpi District by combined force of Manipur Police, CRPF, Gorkha Regiment and Assam Rifles. During the operation, no one was arrested and no ammunitions were seized. Speaking to media persons, a villager of Sangaithel and village chief of Koken Village expressed their satisfaction over the initiative taken up by the Manipur government.
From the gunner, off storing it, has another whole.
Loinama Kudung Sadaba Hybitari, Hybrid Chatok Sinja Dravanina, Sava Tapagi Sukudong Chadre, Anazi Sukudong Chadre, Angang Singi education the Supra Flop Dare, Aduna, Ate Mayam Lady Sokai Maruina Adone, Shemedi. Hoi Lady Local Singi Hutta Suyam, Todang Labra, and a Kande. I believe both sides. I hope both sides. I hope you think the so local, local mission. I do got them get a so called. I hope layminary things in understanding. Yam Chen, I quite this young, I pull pa tactic layman. I do book yam chat pa relationship the layaba. I do not atopa amalak like in Silagato with about not ready. A mama understand that the Gumba Labegi, seeing the whole pouchy koi, take the guide and Ama Amasule, Mambani Haina Kale.
Sarkari order की मतुंग इन चतरा को कमिंग ऑपरेशन सिदा military paramilitary amadi khungangi miyoi sing amadi state force ka yamna irang thoktabida ingni chikna hariba combing operation asi chathari
punjab moina kai phungi
masidida ai samak school asigi club ke president amoina adum ai samak full support tawjari sarkar gi thabak thoram torokpa sida order gi makha sarkar gi order gi makha da torokpa thoram sida ai samak willingly hariba operation asida samak support tawraga combing operation si mapung phana tawbiu hadina su aina su appeal tawjari.
All indigenous people injured in the current clashes in Manipur will be given free treatment, and Raj Medicity stated hospital chairman Haubijam Rajain. He made the statement at the press meet held at the hospital hall. He further stated that more than 40 people who were injured in the violent ethnic clashes that began on May 3rd have been given free treatment in Raj Medicity. He also stated that apart from relief items, several free health camps have been organized at different relief camps to help the displaced people. He said that ambulances and staff have not been spared from violent attacks in the recent past, in spite of showing their ID cards. He appealed to the people to let ambulances and the drivers of safe passage when they are trying to reach out to the displaced people. He further stated that the number of injured persons in need of ambulance services have increased because of the violent clashes, and to make matters worse, the blockade on the national highways has resulted in the shortage of life-saving drugs. He urged the government to remove the blockade to allow transport of these medicines. He said that any indigenous person who gets injured in the clashes will be given free treatment irrespective of their ethnicity. He further assured that all injured indigenous persons can come directly to the hospital to get free treatment.
Total chang banataba consumable sing do lawnaba honaba phangnaba honabada pot oina phangragasu akoina line je khari amna legadaba male akoina thibusine hena hegadaba male mandi hanadegi contact lebanina aduna maduda changba paisa sing do angam ngamba mateng pangbiragadi masi yama phaba pot amo oigani akoida su khudong chadaba leroi aduga akoigi leiriba patient dasu mipaiba langtaknaba asumai pose leroi haiba pose bidung thamjage aduna mayam punmona social organization section khudimaki loina front line da thokpi rega asumba situation jibo control tonaba sing amusung tamje hojik hoi khanabai matam oidre hojik page talk toraga platform da laga ro tai saraga kana bu kamai toraga pendam am da phongdok naraga negotiate toraga shanti oiba punsi amada laga hojik se manipur se 10 years back ko chakrabani development je chahi tara back ta chakrabani ba chahi tara matung hangane yeng buda leramba situation da adu da koi lakrabani kam kuina si kan situation da leido no koi haiba ngamde he no koi selaga di he na backward koi bugi posum koi laktu.
Two wagons of LPG rake of a goods train derailed in Madhya Pradesh's Utpala on Tuesday night, railways officials said on Wednesday. The incident happened near a Bharat Petroleum depot at Shahpura, Bhitoni, when the goods train was placed for unloading. No mainline movement of trains was affected, and the restoration work started after sunrise, officials added. Passengers of Air India's Delhi US flight that was diverted to Russia on Tuesday due to an engine glitch are stranded in Magadan as the airline's relief flight has been delayed, reports said on Wednesday. The relief flight was reportedly originally scheduled to leave from Mumbai on Tuesday night. Visuals of around 200 passengers have also surfaced online. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky described the bursting of the Nova Kakhovka Dam in southern Ukraine as an act of mass environmental destruction. Zelensky said the dam was blown up by Russia in a bid to use the flood as a weapon. Such deliberate destruction by Russian occupiers will not stop Ukraine and Ukrainians. We'll still liberate all our land, he added. Apple has acquired Los Angeles-based augmented reality AR startup Mira, which makes headsets for other companies and the US military. This comes after Apple unveiled its first mixed reality headset Vision Pro. Mira's military contracts include an agreement with the US Air Force and a $702,351 agreement with the US Navy. It also makes headsets for Super Nintendo World theme parks. GPT-4 maker OpenAI CEO Sam Altman said that the challenge that the world faces now is how we'll manage risks of AI while still making sure we get to enjoy AI's tremendous benefits. We face serious risk. We face existential risk, Altman said. He went on to suggest that a global organization like International Atomic Energy Agency should be set up for AI. New York has emerged as the top of the list of the world's most expensive cities for expats in 2023 as per ECA International's cost of living rankings. Hong Kong is in the second spot, while Geneva, London, Singapore are also among the top 5. Zurich, San Francisco, Tel Aviv, Seoul, Tokyo are among the top 10 most expensive cities. For ELITETV News Channel, contact the email address info@elitetv.in or 9402890982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. And before we wind up, let's look at the top headlines once again. Human chain torch rally staged last night widely in valley areas. Mass combing operation begins at hill and valley areas. Last date for submission of online application form for 11 lateral entry selection test 2023 for JNV extended for Manipur. And curfew relaxed for Imphal East, West and Bishnupur till 5 p.m. today. That's all for today. Thank you for watching ELITETV English News. Take care and stay safe.